So to install SQL Server, you search for MySQL from your Google and click on it. So it's going to take you to the official page. So you scroll down to where you have SQL Server Express and you click on download now. So it's going to download it for you. So you click on it when the download is done. So you wait for it to come up and you click OK when it prompts you. So you have different options. You click on basic. You go for basic. So select basic. Accept terms and conditions and click on accept and click on install. So you wait for it to finish. It will take some time. So you just have to be patient and wait for it to finish. So it will take some time. So wait for it to finish. So now that it has completed, so I need to install the SSMS. So you click on install SSMS. Under download SSMS, click on that download. Yeah, that's the download link. So you click on it. So it will start downloading for you. So you wait for it to finish. So I'll pause the video and wait for it to finish. Alright, now that it has completed, I'll select and click on it. So if it prompts you, you enter yes. Alright, so you click on install and wait for it to finish installation. So it will take some time, so you have to be patient. So I'll pause the video until when it finishes. So it's almost done. Alright, now that the installation has completed, I'll click on close. So remember, we were here before we started that installation. So you can click on connect. So this shows that it's connected successfully. So you can close the terminal and you can close this as well and say yes. So that's how to install. So to check that it's working, so remember it is SQL Server Management you are supposed to click on. So it will come up like this. We change the mandatory to optional. That was why it did not work. So change the mandatory to optional. So it should work now. Yeah. So now you can see your databases here on the left. So